The Knysna Estuary is the jewel of the garden route. For centuries it has attracted people to enjoy its remarkable diversity and plentiful resources. But the estuary is under threat from increased pressures that include development and untreated sewage spills, presenting health risks to those using the system. Seagrasses play a crucial role in the ecosystem, keeping it healthy and in balance. Our SOMWAT project has shown how seagrass improves water quality and mitigates impacts. This research is also identifying sites for seagrass protection. This helps the managing authority, the South African national parks, with decision making.
One of the outputs of our monitoring, we developed a water quality guideline for Sandpark, and this would help them better manage the Knysna Estuary in terms of water quality.
I think there also needs to be a realization that it's all one big cycle, and everything that happens in the system, the way that we look after and protect our seagrass, essentially filters back to humans, which is again why that collective responsibility is important, because it's all about protecting obviously our natural resources as well as protecting our ecosystem services, which all come back to enriching human life in many different senses.
Through co-design, SOMWAT has shown that collaboration between stakeholders, including local communities, is vital to creating a healthy estuary that provides diverse benefits for current and future generations. Together, we can make a lasting impact.